This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Amazon Music. So I'm right here on the main Amazon Music download page for the desktop app. You can find it at amazon.com/music/amazon-music-app. Now, that's a rather long URL, so I'll put that URL as a link in the video description, so you can just click on that and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything. So also for the .co.uk version, if you're in the UK like I am, it's a very similar URL. I actually tested both of them and they both work, as you can see right here. So all that's left to do, once you actually click that link and you wind up here, you can just click this Get the App button right here. And what that will do, we'll click that, and that redirects us to this page here, and the download will start automatically. You can see the icon just went flying up there. I'm on a Mac, and that's the universal symbol that something has been downloaded. If it doesn't instantly start, as Amazon tells us here, we can restart the download with this button here. This gives you detailed instructions on how to download and how to actually install the installer file. You'll find the installer file in your downloads location. Now, your downloads location might be different to mine, but like I say, I'm on a Mac and I'm right here on Google Chrome, and all of my downloaded files and folders go to the main downloads location. Now, yours might be different to mine, but the easy bit is just to open up the installer and follow the instructions from there. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Amazon Music on your computer useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.